1. Root chakra, Muladhara. Visualize a red, spinning wheel at the base of your spine, representing the root chakra. Imagine roots extending from this chakra into the earth, grounding you. Take deep breaths, focusing on stability and security. 2. Sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Move up to the sacral chakra, located just below the navel, visualized as an orange wheel. Picture this chakra's energy flowing smoothly. Envision a calm, serene body of water. Breathe deeply and embrace your creative and emotional self. 3. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura. Shift your attention to the solar plexus chakra, pictured as a bright yellow wheel in the area of the upper abdomen. Imagine it radiating confidence and personal power. Take deep breaths and feel your self-esteem and inner strength growing. 4. Heart chakra, Anahata. Focus on the heart chakra, located in the center of your chest, depicted as a green wheel. Visualize this chakra opening and filling your body with love and compassion. Breathe deeply, embracing love for yourself and others. 5. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. Move to the throat chakra, visualized as a blue wheel at your throat. Imagine clear communication and self-expression. Breathe deeply and release any tensions in your throat, allowing your voice to flow freely. 6. Third eye chakra, Ajna. Shift your attention to the third eye chakra, positioned between your eyebrows, depicted as an indigo wheel. Visualize clarity, intuition, and insight. Breathe deeply, enhancing your inner vision and wisdom. 7. Crown chakra, Sahasrara. Finally, focus on the crown chakra at the top of your head, pictured as a violet or white wheel. Imagine a connection to the universe and divine wisdom. Take deep breaths, feeling a sense of oneness with the cosmos. Closing. After cleansing and balancing each chakra, take a few deep breaths and visualize your entire energy system as harmoniously aligned. Feel a sense of balance and well-being throughout your body. A quick 7-chakra cleansing can help you maintain balance and harmony in your energy centers, promoting overall well-being and clarity. You can perform this practice as a brief meditation or visualization exercise to restore your energy and enhance your emotional and spiritual balance. The process of a quick 7-chakra cleansing involves aligning and balancing the body's 7 main energy centers, known as chakras. Here's a step-by-step process. 1. Set the scene. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position or lie down, whichever is most comfortable for you. 2. Center and ground, 1 to 2 minutes. Take a few deep breaths to relax and center yourself. Visualize any stress or tension leaving your body with each exhale. Imagine roots extending from your body into the earth, grounding you. 3. Root chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on your root chakra, located at the base of your spine. Visualize it as a red wheel spinning slowly. Imagine it becoming balanced and energized, providing a sense of stability and security. 4. Sacral chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Move up to your sacral chakra, located just below the navel. Visualize it as an orange wheel spinning smoothly, promoting creativity and emotional balance. 5. Solar plexus chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Shift your attention to the solar plexus chakra in your upper abdomen, visualizing it as a bright yellow wheel. Imagine it radiating confidence and personal power. 6. Heart chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on the heart chakra in the center of your chest. Visualize it as a green wheel, opening and filling your body with love and compassion. 7. Throat chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Move to the throat chakra, visualized as a blue wheel at your throat. Imagine clear communication and self-expression. Visualize it spinning freely. 8. Third eye chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Shift your attention to the third eye chakra between your eyebrows, depicted as an indigo wheel. Visualize clarity, intuition, and insight. 9. Crown chakra, 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, focus on the crown chakra at the top of your head, pictured as a violet or white wheel. Imagine a connection to the universe and divine wisdom. 10. Balancing and alignment, 1 to 2 minutes. Take a few deep breaths to harmonize your entire energy system. Visualize all your chakras balanced and spinning at their ideal speeds, promoting overall well-being and clarity. 11. Closing, 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to reflect on the experience. A quick 7-chakra cleansing can be performed in just 15 to 20 minutes and is an excellent way to restore balance and promote emotional and spiritual well-being. Regular practice can help maintain harmony in your energy centers. Cleansing and balancing your chakras through a quick 7-chakra cleansing practice can offer a range of potential benefits, including emotional balance. Balancing your chakras can help regulate your emotions, promoting emotional stability and reducing mood swings. Mental clarity. A balanced energy system can enhance mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function. Stress reduction. Chakra cleansing can help alleviate stress and promote relaxation, reducing the physical and mental effects of stress. Emotional healing. Working on your chakras can aid in emotional healing and processing past traumas or negative experiences. Enhanced self-confidence. Balancing your energy centers can boost self-esteem and self-confidence. Improved communication. A balanced throat chakra can enhance your ability to communicate effectively and express yourself. Creativity. A cleansed sacral chakra can unleash your creativity and inspire innovative thinking. Physical well-being. Chakra cleansing may promote physical health and well-being by reducing stress-related illnesses and promoting overall vitality. Balanced relationships. A harmonious energy system can positively influence your interactions with others, fostering healthier relationships. Spiritual growth. For those on a spiritual journey, chakra cleansing can deepen spiritual understanding and connection. Intuition. A balanced third eye chakra can heighten your intuition and your ability to trust your inner guidance. Energy flow. Chakra cleansing promotes the healthy flow of energy throughout your body, enhancing your overall well-being. Remember that these benefits are subjective and may vary from person to person. Chakra cleansing is a holistic practice that can complement your overall well-being and may be part of your personal self-care and spiritual journey. In conclusion, a quick 7-chakra cleansing is a holistic practice that offers the potential for various emotional, mental, and physical benefits. By aligning and balancing your energy centers, you can achieve emotional stability, mental clarity, and reduced stress, ultimately contributing to a greater sense of well-being. This practice can also support your spiritual growth, enhance your creativity, and improve your relationships. While the effectiveness of chakra cleansing may vary from person to person, it can be a valuable addition to your self-care routine, helping you maintain a harmonious and balanced energy system for a more fulfilling and enriched life.